I've always wanted to do that. It's so fun. What's up everybody? It's Elisa here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be shooting portraits using the Godox MS300. It's right here beside me. If you've been following my channel, I've shown you how to take portraits using a simple flash, but this time I'm gonna be using a light strobe like this one. I can technically get the same results using a simple flash and using this one. So for me, there's no difference. There's only two things that I like about this one. The first one would be its model light. And if you don't know what model light is, I'm gonna show you what it is. This is a model light. It's so cool. This strobe allows you to have a model light on, and it's great because you can already see where the light is hitting on your subject's face. So you can adjust gradually how you want your photos to look like. So if you want more light on the face, then you can like make them face the light. Or if you want more shadows here, then you kind of like move them this way. And that's pretty awesome. Oh, and this light is also emitting warm temperature. So I kind of feel like, you know, inside an incubator for chicken eggs. The second thing I like about it, it's its power. So it's pretty powerful because it's connected directly to a power socket, and that can also be its weak points because you cannot take this light outside with you since it cannot take external batteries. So this is strictly for indoor use only. I control the light using a trigger, which is the Godox X1. You can see it's already on my camera. And since the lowest setting of this can only go down to 132, so I have to use an ND8 filter, which gives me 3 stops, and it's that one. So this video is not only gonna be about the light, I also want to show you how I set up my little studio in my house. I don't have a studio, I don't own any studio, I wish. So I want to show you how I set up the simplest way, the cheapest way, because I'm very cheap. I have a gray backdrop behind me, and one of the reasons why I got the gray backdrop is it's very easy to change the color later on post-process, especially for the portraits I'm going to be doing for today. I'm going to change the background into green. And also one of the uses I have with this is sometimes I forget to change my white balance. Oh, no. So this helps me in post-process. On my right side, I have a reflector so that on the right side of my subject, we can bounce some light and it won't be way too dark. I also have a square softbox from Godox, and I actually got the softbox and the reflector about 5 years ago, so they're pretty reliable. So for today's portrait, I'm gonna be using my Sony A7III with a Samyang 35mm f1.4, and that's my favorite focal length for indoor portraits. So now let's go and start shooting the portraits. I have a beautiful model with me today, and let me introduce you to her. What's up everybody? Today I have Lucy here to help me out testing this light right here beside me. So let's go and start shooting. Could you have your nose just a little bit here? Yes. And look straight in my camera. You can wrap it around you. Maybe like go inside it. So I guess it'll be. Yeah, it'll be easier. Perfect. You stand back just a tad bit. Yes. You can have your hand like across like that. Yes, what you're doing right now is perfect actually. You know what? I need to lower this thing for me. This is a pretty warm light. Can you feel it? It's really warm. This fan is doing great. Yeah. It's also giving some effects on your hair too. Oh, you will see later. Jesus Christ. Yes. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, check out my model's Instagram account. It's linked in the description box. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Oh man, I can see myself on the screen. Oh, I like it. I look like a mess, but the light is so good. That I can pose right now. I'm not a model, I don't know how to pose, but you know what I'm saying. Ooh, light up your forehead. So bright. Oh my god. This is the coolest thing ever.